Here we have a young medlar tree and it's flowering for the first time. I'm espalier training it against this fence, which is north facing. It's in complete shade except for very early morning and late evening in the summer. I've got wires up to make a 4-tier espalier. I do need to cut back that overhanging shrub from next door. Underneath the planting is just wild plants with a few additions. We've got some sweet cicely we added, but it's otherwise things that have self-seeded. There's lots of ivy and foxgloves and self-sown aquilegia and so on. And we're going to keep that back to low levels. For the espalier training, I'm just using the same method as for an apple. When it arrived, we had it was a maiden tree. We just had enough. We had these two main supports, and there was this one coming up, and so I took these out sideways to take through the first layer of wire, and I had enough to cut. Had enough to begin training onto the second wire, so then I cut at that wire to allow the next layer to grow up, and I have cut there again so that we now will get, I've cut at this wire, so we will now get a shoot going up to the next wire, and the two shoots below will be trained out onto the third wire, and then when we get to the fourth wire we will trim again in the autumn. Next year we will train out the new shoots that way, and then we will be thereafter trimming the leader. It's just standard apple pruning. So they grow similarly enough. And then long shoots like this coming off the main framework will be cut back during the summer to make fruiting spurs. But it's been growing really well in this completely shaded location, and I'm very excited to see how the fruit develops and what it eventually tastes like.